am Arrshie from Aesthos Interior Design. Colors, colors, colors. Colors are everywhere. Welcome to today's session on colors. Colors can make or break your interiors, and your colors depend on the style you pick. There are many color schemes, but for the purpose of this video, we will narrow it down to the few basics, which is more than enough for you to design great looking interiors. Color schemes are broadly divided into warm, cool, and neutral color schemes. Warm color schemes are inspired by sun and fire, so you will have colors red, orange, and yellow, and in between. And cool color schemes are inspired by nature, that's water and greens, so you will have a lot of blues and greens and in-betweens. And you have the neutral color scheme, which is black, white, grays and browns. Very zen-like, very meditative, it'll never be jarring, it's very easy and pleasing on the eye. And then there is monochromatic color scheme, which uses one base color and shades and tints of the same color. So either you go lighter, lighter, lighter with putting in the white hue, or you go darker, darker, darker by putting in the dark black hue. And then there is the complementary color scheme, which uses the colors of the opposite side of the color wheel. This color has to be managed well because it can get jarring. It is vibrant, so may be best used for children's school, where you can match the energy of the children. And then there is the split-complementary, which uses one of the main hues of the color wheel and uses two adjacent of the complement color. This can also be vibrant but not that jarring because it uses the secondary color and not the direct opposite. Next is the triadic color scheme, which uses colors equally spaced on the color wheel. This color is also vibrant, even if used in the paler versions of it. And finally, we have the analogous color scheme. This color scheme uses color and the adjacent color to each other. This color scheme is found in nature and is very pleasing to the eye. They make comfortable and serene designs, and you can never go wrong with it. And finally, at the end of this color session, I would like you to go to our lighting session and watch that, because these are interrelated. Lighting affects color in a big way. On our next session on lighting. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell.